How to make money online. There's so many things you can do for you to be able to make money online. Then I'm here to share with you very simple things that you can do, very easy way if you are ready to put in the work for you to be able to make money online. So what can you do? How can you start? What are the things you need to put in place? What kind of need to be able to make money online? Then is it possible to make money online? You know, there's a lot of rumor. People will say it's not real, it's not true, people are just faking it. But I'm here to tell you that people are making money online. Yes. And then if you don't believe, also make your research and check if people are really making it online or no. And it does not matter who you are, it does not matter your age, your nationality, your color. It does not matter if you are single or you are married. It does not matter the location. Yeah, you can make money online. Yes, you know, you have your 9 to 5 hours job, you have your 10 to 6 hours job that you are doing, but there's something you need to do more to be able to have multiple sources of income. Financial challenge in your life, you need to have multiple sources of income, because when you are making money online, it's going to help you in your financial journey to have multiple sources of income. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what can you do. 6 things that you can do to be able to make money online. And I know this is something you can do. Yes, just need to put in the hard work, ready to do the work, and you will see how things are going to transform, because you need multiple sources of income. And the good part of this is that you don't need to leave your job that you are doing, your 9 to 5 hours, your 10 to 6 hours job. You don't need to leave it. You just be doing, you know, all these things together. So the hours that you are spending on online that does not bring in any result for you all this while, or you think about it that you are online for 3 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, you know, as much as you are there. So all the knowledge that you acquire, what do you do with those knowledge? All the value that you got, what do you do with those values? Okay, so now you have been struggling financially, or you feel like you need to have more sources of income. This video is for you. So you're going to get the tips, what you need to do, how you're going to start making money online, and you see how things is going to turn around. You can do it. Yes, I believe you can do it. My name is Fola. I'm a coach and author. I coach women on how to overcome limiting barrier and belief that the society have placed on us as a woman. And I wrote a book. The title of my book is Woman Live for More. You can get my book on Amazon, on gumroad.com, on seller.com. You can even write me a direct message. My email address is under this video, or you can just connect with me on social media to be able to send me a direct message. You can get a copy. Also is available in Nigeria for those who have interest about the book. If you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe, because this channel is all about to motivate you, to encourage you, and to share information that will help you in your journey to be able to live and be who God has called you to be, to live a purposeful life, to impact your word, provide solution, and be who you want to be. So if you have not subscribed, you need to subscribe now, because I don't want you to miss any of the things that you can do to make money online. The first one is to working from where you are. Okay, no matter where you are working 9 to 5 job, you are working where you are. But I want you to start working from where you are. So now you start thinking, what can you do from where you are? I'm on YouTube now, sharing values, you know, do this video. I'm working from where I am to be able to reach as many people as I can reach. So what can you do from where you are? What are the solutions you can provide to a problem? Solution you can, like me now, if you want to write your book, I can coach you, guide you, put you through to be able to write your book, able to publish your book and become an author within 1 month. This is going to happen. Okay, so I provide solutions to that. So what solution you can provide to any problem? Yes, what can you do? So if you are able to provide this kind of solution, you are working from where you are online and you are making money from it. You can even work with people around you from where you are. So another thing is that you can provide value for people. When I go on social media, there are so many people that I have to go to their profile, I have to go to their wall to be able to get value from them, because I know they provide value, they share value, they do a lot of things that give value to me. So when I go to social media, I go to their wall to go and get more value. You know, what value can you provide? Likewise me, I have a lot of people, they send me message in my inbox because they got value from me. So you want to work from where you are, those are the things that you can do. Provide solutions to a problem, become valuable thing is going to help you to be able to work online, then you'll be able to make more money. The second one I'm going to share is to start a YouTube channel. And don't say I don't have anything to say or I don't know how to do it. No, it's a lie. Every one of us, we are curated for a purpose. There is something we are here to do, and the whole world is waiting for you to start to manifest. So you can reach your audience through the YouTube channel. Then you can make money from it also. So you can start a YouTube channel, and if you need more help how to start your YouTube channel, you can reach out to me. Another thing you can do to make money online is to create a blog. You know, create a blog and start writing. And this is something that you may not be able to do on your own. Just get someone that can coach you in that area to help you to be able to do the right thing, and you start making money. So another thing you can do is to develop an app. You know, any app you want to develop, anything you have in your mind. Facebook is an app, YouTube is an app, and then TikTok is an app, Instagram, Tutor, you know, a lot of app is there that we are using today. Zoom also is there. Google Meet also is there. So you can create your own, and don't think like nobody is going to download or nobody is going to watch. No, just give it a try. You can do it. So another one you can do is to become a tutor. Like any subjects you are good to teach, or any language that you are good to teach. Let me give you an example. For those who are abroad now, some of them, they need a tutor to teach their children online to be able to know their language. You can do that. So far you can speak your language very well. You know, some people, they even want their children to learn. Likewise me now, I want my children to learn as many as language they can learn, because it's going to help them in future. So you can be teaching languages online, or any subject that you know you are very good to teach. So those are the things you can do to make money online, and you can give it a try. So another one I'm going to share, which is number 5, is to start drop shipping or affiliate marketing. Something also is something that you need somebody to teach you, to show you the way that you can do. Don't just go into something just because somebody said it. Get someone to teach you. Get someone to learn from them, learn from their mistake, from their experience, from how they start, from their challenges, from their difficulties, because all this is going to help you to be able to do it on your own. And if you think you can do it on your own without learning from anybody, you can give it a try. So the last one I'm going to share, which is number 6, is to write a book and publish the book. I have done that. I'm an author. And if you don't know, you can just check the description of this video. You can check the description of this video. You're going to see the link to my book there. Click on it and get a copy for yourself. So what you can do online is you can write a book and become an author. And this is something you can do within a month. If you have been struggling to write your own book, or you want to write your own book, you can get in touch with me. I coach people also on how to write their book and become an author within a month. So any topic you want to write on, you know, any area you want to share with the whole world, or anything you feel like you want to share and you want to turn it to a book, any experience that you have, any story that you have, or any knowledge that you have that you want to turn into a book, you can write a book, publish the book, and become an author. So those are the things that you can do to be able to make money online. And those are the things that's very easy. I'm telling you, the only thing you need to do is your commitment. Okay, you need to commit to it. to motivate yourself, to get someone to help you if you need help, to ready to do the work, and you're going to see how things is going to be working for you. I believe every one of us will have one or two things that we can do better. Okay, which one are you going to try out of the points I've shared? Which one do you think is okay for you to start or to try? You know, I believe you may not be able to do everything, but where can you start from? And don't be discouraged. You know, success is hard, but success is possible for everybody to become successful. So when you start, don't be discouraged. Everything is going to be fine. You just need to put in the hard work. You need to put your spirit, your mind together, and you are going to achieve it. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy, you like the video. Share with anybody that you know they need to do something online. You know, you are staying at home after you finish your work. You have a lot of hours within you. You have the internet, you have your phone, you have your laptop, you have one or two that you can use. So make use of what you have now before it will be too late. And for those who have internet unlimited, they are using it for nothing. Before it will be too late, make use of that internet and be making money online. And I will see you in my next video.